I'm Nell Robinson, supermodel of Jamaica and the Caribbean. I travel the world for photo shoots, and on set, I'm always so proud to share stories about the island on which I grew up. People are intrigued to hear about my childhood spent in an exotic place with white sand beaches and turquoise water. They're familiar with our reggae music, with our sports stars, but regrettably, they are also aware that our beautiful island is known for its intolerant attitude towards people who are gay. As a responsible and caring human being, I find myself speaking on behalf of those whose sexual orientation is being questioned and harshly judged. I firmly believe that in our modern world, there's no place for homophobic behavior, nor indeed for shameful attitudes to race or women's rights. I work in an industry that has a prevalence of gay executives. The same designers that many Jamaicans big up all happen to be gay. So why the hypocrisy? As a welcoming island people, we must stop focusing on negative attitudes of the past and be proud to represent our country in positive ways. We must discourage narrow-minded discrimination that judges others because of their differences. We must learn to be inclusive, celebrate difference, spread the love, and exemplify our island motto by putting into practice, out of many one people, we are all Jamaicans.